The kids' homeschool room has gotten out of control. Welcome to the 2023 Spring Clean With Me series. I'm Brianna. Get ready for some cleaning motivation, organizing motivation today. Click that thumbs up if you're ready, and let's go. How cute is this? Presley the other day was like, Mom, look, I made an alien. And then she also made, look at this little volcano. She's like, I made a volcano for the Hawaii picture.
But somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start.
Ouch, somehow carrying that train track, I like caught myself. Going to get a Band-Aid.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start. Looking for a new start. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, looking for a new start.
All right, I'm gonna start working on taking everything out of here just so that I can assess what I have and declutter the stuff we don't need and put things back. This room really has become like our craft room. We do after school snacks here, we do homework here. Like, takes me back to when I was a 7th grade English teacher, being in this space. So you guys know, like, I absolutely loved being a teacher. I love learning, and I feel like that's the hardest part about being a mom, especially like a single mom, is I obviously have work I need to juggle. I have all the other house and cleaning and just other priorities that I need to keep the home running smoothly. And then I want to be doing all these fun different learning activities with the kids, and it can just be really, really tough. And I think I especially struggle when it's spring break or summer vacation, and there's just so much time that they're home here that I want to be doing really fun, cool things with them, but I don't always have that time. So I found something recently that I think you guys will love too. Landon and Presley, Landon and Presley are obsessed with it. It is called IXL Learning. It's a website. Each of them have their own profiles, and I'll definitely be making a profile for Hayden when he's old enough, but it starts at pre-K. It goes through 12th grade, and it has all of the common core things that they should be learning when it comes to math and science and reading, and it's really, really fun activities. They're really more like games, and they're super bite-sized and manageable for them. You know, they can be on there for just a few minutes every single day, or they could be on there for way longer. It's very, very interactive and fun. They always ask to actually be on it longer, but you know, sometimes there'll just be a few minutes where I'll be like, hey, I need you guys to go on IXL while I'm finishing cooking dinner or something like that, and they love it. I think it's so great too how it has every kind of learning style possible. So whether your kiddo is a visual learner or an audio learner, it has every single activity on there or catered to the different learning styles. So your kid is going to get exactly what they enjoy and what they need. And right now I reached out to IXL, and I'm really excited because they wanted to give you guys a discount code. So I have a link down in my description box. If you use that link, you get 20% off of IXL Learning for either the first month or the first year when you sign up for all of the common subject areas like reading, math, science. So be sure to check out my link for your kids. I know that you will love IXL Learning for especially summer vacation if you're looking for really enriching activities for your kids to be doing. So be sure to use that link that I have for IXL Learning down in my description box below so you get that 20% off.
Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now. But somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere I'll go and hide, looking for a new start, for a new start. Looking for a new, looking for
All right, I wanted to show you guys what I did. I've wiped this all out and I've taken everything and sorted it into categories. So I have just the different crafting sort of materials like feathers and what are those puffy straw things called? Help me in the comments, I forget right now. I have erasers, all of the glue, all of the scissors, all of the other tools for helping fine motor skills, dry erase boards, calendar pieces, and then I kind of have all the different art supplies here. So crayons, markers all together, colored pencils. These are the dry erase markers and the cleaner, the Sharpie markers, Post-its, Play-Doh stuff. Here's where I kind of threw all of the organizing containers then that I can use. I have all the paints here. These more fine-tipped markers, chalk, pencils. This is a kit I think Presley got for Christmas. She had there too, and then all of the different paper. But I'm just gonna now sort of figure out where we think fits best in here and put it all back.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine.
Just realized the camera battery died while I was in the middle of doing all that organizing, but I'll show you sort of how it's coming together. All right, so these drawers, I have the Expo markers, Sharpies, the fine tip one. I kind of made this all of the pencils and chalk. And then in here I have colored pencils, the thin markers, and then the thicker markers. And I organized everything into bins right now. So I have all of the paint products in here, brushes, paints. I have all the different construction paper in here. This is all of those crafting supplies. I had this big box of crayons. It's like the biggest one, and it comes with a little sharpener too. So I'm just gonna leave them in that, comes with like in a little plastic storage container. This is the art set Presley got too. So I figure I'm just gonna stack those up. And in this circular tray, I did glue and scissors and Play-Doh and all that kind of stuff. These are the empties that I didn't use, but I'm probably still gonna keep just like those bins for storage stuff. But I don't know, I might end up returning these. I just got them at the Target dollar spot today because I figured they would be great for maybe some of the storage stuff or just being able to pull stuff out easily. But I don't know, I feel like when I started putting stuff in them, stuff didn't fit that great. I don't know. And then this is like headphones and some of the other gear. And I have like the dry erase over there that I'm just gonna stack in these shelves.
Told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
So I'm going to do a much deeper clean of the room now by wiping down all of the baseboards and the molding and wiping down the walls. I started off with multi-surface cleaner, and for any of the areas where there was crayon or pencil marks on the walls, because surprisingly there was a lot, I used the magic eraser to get all of those marks off.
I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. yeah. I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way.
But I just wanted to sort of take spring cleaning at an easier pace for myself this year. And I'm just going to do one room at a time, slowly but surely. So let me know if you have any requests for what rooms you would like to see me clean next in my Spring Clean With Me series.
We come alive. We come alive.
A lot of people have asked me in my videos what my new flooring is. It is by Bow Floors, and it is the light grayish color is the color that I got for them.
Dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes.
All right, everything is vacuumed and mopped. Space is cleaned from top to bottom. And here is a final look on how I organized all of those different art supplies. And I just love how much nicer and neater this space looks now compared to how it looked at the very beginning.
See you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me.
All right, I had to stop organizing for a minute because it is Gigi's 85th birthday. So we're going over to my mom's house for a little birthday dinner for her and to celebrate her today.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, happy birthday, Gigi.
No, I got a mustache.
Yeah,
I got a
good.
mustache made out of spaghetti.
So good.
Where's the one that fits? Aha!
Made homemade chicken scallopini and homemade focaccia bread. Bruschetta. Look at that birthday girl with her birthday crown.
I put my feet up.
Why do some
And we
places call
just
it
sing.
scallopini and some people say chicken piccata?
I think those are two different things.
And then there's franchise,
You're
which
thinking
is
beef
pretty much the
right
same,
here.
but I think without the
Oh,
things with the capers. It's just lemon butter.
I don't know. It's confusing to me.
Now I got one that
You got a
like
lighter.
candles.
Here comes the candles.
You could blow them out. Go.
You ready?
I'm gonna go on Gigi's side.
Why do you think you're gonna cry?
No.
Yeah, Prezi and Landon go by Gigi.
Stick this one and light that.
Here we go.
No.
Don't blow until at the
Don't
end.
blow.
You gotta let Grandma make
Here
it
we
win.
go. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Gigi. Happy birthday to you.
May the dear Lord bless you.
May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless Gigi. May the dear Lord bless you.
Many
Blow it up, Gigi.
Yay!
Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing, and I can't wait to do some more spring cleaning and share more videos on my channel with you for the spring 2023. Thanks, loves.
Forever